What is going on, everybody? Useful Random Stuff here, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft, but we're going to be doing a house tutorial. Yeah, I build houses on Minecraft, really good houses actually, and you're going to see today firsthand. So first thing we want to do, we want to get, oh no, this block, black terracotta, get that block. I don't know, a horn coral block, this block right here, red stained glass. This block, cracked stone brick, jungle log, stripped oak wood, warped hypus, a sponge. Let's get an allium in here and let's begin building. So first you want to take your black concrete and place a wall like this, okay? I don't know how long this is. Just slow the video down and count maybe. I don't know. I'm not counting. It's about that high. We'll do one more. And there. There's that. So take your red stained glass. You want to make a 3-block long thing, okay? Now take your black terracotta and put an extra thing right there. Now take your sponge and put 2 layers right there. Just like that, okay? Now you want to take your allium and put it on the ground right there, okay? Trust me, that'll help later, I promise. Take your stripped oak wood, put a layer up like that. Now just add a few walls and windows to the side and you'll be done. I'll be back in a minute when it's done. And now you're done. It should look something like this, just a little like this. You know, it was nothing big, nothing too much actually. If you followed all the steps correctly, it should look like this. Thank you everybody for watching. Like, subscribe. If this helped you at all, please consider. I'll make more of this video. I'll make more videos like this in the future maybe. Yeah. Have a good day. Subscribe and like.